sea of supporters have thronged Patna to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister. People have been waiting to see the Prime Minister. There are people with their phone cameras that are on. They're getting pictures of the Prime Minister. And ahead of the phase 1 of elections, the Prime Minister today is leading this mega roadshow. Along with the Prime Minister is Lalan Singh of the JDU on his cavalcade, on his Rath. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil, who's also covering the event. The Josh on the ground, the kind of supporters who have come in, the flags of the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the kind of support that people talk about when it comes to cadre mobilization. Today, the Prime Minister is in Patna. He's leading this grand roadshow. Arunil, you're tracking the mood on the ground. And as you bring us these pictures live, what is the sense you are getting?
Well, the excitement is only growing, Sagarika, and as soon as PM Modi reaches at this center point of this Nala Street, it will be expected to reach its crescendo as well. Yes, the road yatra has begun now. PM Modi is expected to have this road yatra on this 1.5 kilometer road stretch. We will try and speak to people over here. One individual is holding up placard saying that "माँ का अपमान नहीं सहेगा बिहार." We'll try and gauge his mood as well. आपने ये पोस्टर जो रखा है "माँ का अपमान नहीं सहेगा बिहार", क्यों कह रहे हो? राहुल गांधी को कह रहे हो, क्या कह रहे हो इसमें? एक बार
पूरी तरीके से बिहार के जो दो पप्पू हैं, राहुल गांधी और तेजस्वी, इन्होंने मां का अपमान किया। निश्चित तौर पे यह मां के जो पुत्र हैं, ऐसे पुत्र को इस मां ने जन्म दिया जो पूरे भारत का डंका पूरे विश्व में बजाने का कार्य किया है। और ऐसे पुत्र को इस मां के तस्वीर से मैं उनको यह बताने का प्रयास कर रहा हूं कि पूरा बिहार आपके साथ है और एनडीए 175 सीट पे चुनाव जीत के आपके झोली में देने का कार्य करेगा और मां का अपमान पूरा बिहार नहीं सहेगा, पूरा देश अपमान नहीं सहेगा।
Well, rousing reception has been planned over here. You can see there are videos being put up, people gathering in humongous number, in fact, on this Nala Street, all waiting with bated breath as soon as the Rath of PM Modi arrives on the middle part of this road as well. We'll try and speak to more people. We'll try to. Will this roadshow of PM Modi be a game changer in this upcoming Bihar elections, according to you?
Definitely. I have been local resident of Patna, and then we have seen development throughout, like from 2005 itself, and then we have come a long way throughout this year. Last year also Modi ji visited Patna, and that was a game changer for the election at New Delhi. And this time also we are very hoping that, like, BJP again comes back into power. Some problems such as migration issues and IT sector being set up in Bihar is something which we look forward from Modi ji to get that support.
पकड़ रहा है बिहार has been the tagline of the NDA. Lalan Singh of the JDU is also accompanying Prime Minister Narendra Modi. आपसे बात करेंगे कि ये नीतीश कुमार और मोदी जी की जो जोड़ी है बिहार के लिए कितना महत्वपूर्ण है।
ये जोड़ी हिट जोड़ी है। नरेंद्र मोदी और नीतीश जी की जोड़ी मतलब विश्वास की जोड़ी है। ये हिट जोड़ी है, बिहार में ये हिट करेगी।
The five Pandavs of the India are hoping that this yatra, this roadshow of PM Modi will be the final game changer with respect to their prospects in this election as well. Only 4 days to go for the first phase when Bihar will go to polls. आप बताओ 4 दिन बाकी है पहले फेज के लिए और PM मोदी ये बड़ा यात्रा कर रहे हैं, रोड शो कर रहे हैं, कितना बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण रखता है एनडीए के लिए इस इलेक्शन में?
एनडीए पूरे बिहार में जीत रहा है और जैसे अभी बोले कि 175 सीट, तो 170-75 सीट जीतने का अनुमान लग रहा है।
प्रधानमंत्री जहां पर भी अपनी रैली करते हैं जंगल राज के बारे में बताते हैं। आप यहां पर बहुत टाइम से बिहार में रहे हो, उस जंगल राज के बारे में जरा बताएं, क्या सच में था और क्या अभी सुधारना हुआ है?
20 साल पहले घर से निकलना मुश्किल था, 6 बजे के बाद निकलना मुश्किल था, लेकिन आज के डेट में नीतीश कुमार के सुशासन में बहुत बदलाव हो गया है, बहुत बदलाव।
turning their head towards the side from where PM Modi will be arriving now. My video journalist Saurav Kumar is giving you these visuals wherein the chariot, the Rath of PM Modi will be expected to arrive here anytime soon. Dhol, Tasha, people have come over here with their several musical instruments, with their mobile phones, trying to catch a glimpse of PM Modi on this bustling road of Patna. This is PM Modi's third such roadshow in Patna since the Lok Sabha polls. After Operation Sindoor as well, PM Modi had conducted a similar kind of a roadshow in Patna, and every time when PM Modi comes over here, kind of a humongous reception is been received by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi. He will oppose this roadshow. He will also be visiting Harmandir Sahib Gurudwara, which is basically also been known as Patna Sahib, one of the important pilgrim places for the Sikhs. PM Modi mentioned about the aspect that how during the Congress regime there was a genocide that happened against the Sikhs, and this can also be seen an outreach by PM Modi towards the Sikh community as well. You can see the convoy, basically the security arrangement is also full-fledged over here. A part of the convoy has arrived. People are waiting with utmost expectations and excitement for PM Modi to arrive so that they can catch a glimpse of the Supreme Leader.
Pictures of the Prime Minister's roadshow in Patna, and like you can see, thousands and thousands of supporters are lined up on that route, many waving the tricolour. They're cheering the Prime Minister. Some are also standing off rooftops. There are others who are leaning out of their windows and balconies to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister. In a show of their love and their admiration for the Prime Minister, you also saw how some women stood there with an Aarti ki thali. So here, like they say in Bihar, women are going to be a decisive voting bloc. It is the women of Bihar who decided in the previous elections. And now, if you can see, all sides are going all out to woo the women of Bihar. The focus in the elections has also been on the narrative of Jungle Raj, beg your pardon. And there are many who are saying that the Jungle Raj era of Lalu cannot be forgotten. The youth should be told about what used to happen back then. We're cutting across to live pictures. The Prime Minister is leading the NDA's campaign. Arunil continues to stay with us. Arunil, as we get these live pictures of the Prime Minister's roadshow, you're talking to people. Another very important constituent in Bihar is the youth constituent, and there is an attempt to let them know about the Jungle Raj era, because many believe that the youth possibly doesn't know because they didn't see it firsthand, and the NDA is going all out to make sure that they are made aware of the kind of atrocities and the crimes that were committed back then during the Lalu era.
Well, that is right. PM Modi today during his rally in Ara also spoke about the Katta Raj, said that it was horrific during the Jungle Raj of Lalu Prasad Yadav, basically prior 20 years. It has been 20 years since Nitish Kumar has been the Chief Minister of Bihar. Now, your people are waiting with utmost excitement over here. We'll speak to you. आप बताओ कि प्रधानमंत्री हमेशा अपने स्पीचेस में जंगल राज के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से 20 साल पहले जंगल राज हुआ करता था। क्या आपको सच में लगता है जंगल राज था? अभी सुशासन आया है।
जंगल राज तो ऑफिशियली था ही, हम लोग वो चीज को देखे हुए हैं। और माँ बहन 6 बजे के बाद तो क्या, जेंट्स लोग 8 बजे के पहले घर आ जाते थे। जंगल राज था, उसी का दुहाई दे रहे हैं, तो कोई गलत नहीं बोल रहे हैं। आजकल के नई पीढ़ी को इस चीज का पता नहीं है, इसके कारण बताना जरूरी है।
तेजस्वी यादव ये कह रहे हैं कि हम बिहार को नंबर 1 बनाएंगे। इस बात को कैसे देखते हो आप?
नंबर 1 वो अपने आप को बनाएंगे। जिस तरह से वो बोलते हैं कि हम सभी को नौकरी देंगे, हर घर को नौकरी देंगे, पॉसिबल है नहीं। और जो वो नौकरी दिए हैं उसके एवज में जमीन लिए हैं, तो क्या पूरा बिहार वो अपना करना चाह रहे हैं क्या जमीन लेकर? यही संदेश होगा उनके तरफ से, और क्या होगा?
We'll try and speak to some women voters who have gathered here also. आपसे बात करेंगे मैडम, आपसे बात करेंगे कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी यहाँ पर ओके, आपसे बात करेंगे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी यहाँ पर आने वाले हैं.
Those voices from the ground. Arunil, I'll keep coming to you, but we also have our Rajgopalan joining us on the phone line. This roadshow of the Prime Minister, many say, is the highlight of the NDA's campaign. From windows and balconies, we are seeing how the supporters of the BJP and the NDA are chanting the Prime Minister's name, and the Prime Minister very graciously is waving at his supporters, constantly acknowledging the love that they are showering on him. Mr. R. Rajgopalan, I want to understand from you, do you think ahead of phase one, this campaign and this blitz by the Prime Minister is going to be a huge boost for the NDA?
Absolutely.